If you want to get the latest features that comes with SoundCloud app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update SoundCloud app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right. To update your SoundCloud app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Google Play Store, and here it is. Tap on it to open it. From here, you need to go ahead and using this search bar, search for your app by name. But first, you'll need to go ahead and log in with your email, that is your Google account. Should you not see this search bar, then you need to go ahead and find a search icon down below. Tap on it and then just search for your app, SoundCloud by name. And then tap on the search icon here. And as you can see, our SoundCloud app is here. You can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of SoundCloud app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open, or go to your apps and open it to start using the latest version with the latest feature. And here is the new and the latest version of SoundCloud app. So that's how you can update SoundCloud app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.